In today's video, I'll show you how to add a clickable link to your resume in Canva. This is super useful if you want to showcase your portfolio, social media, or any online presence directly from your resume. Let's get started. First, open your resume in Canva. Next, locate the text where you want the link to appear and highlight it. This could be a single word like portfolio or a phrase like see my work here. Highlighting tells Canva exactly what text you want linked. Now, move up to the top menu bar and click on the three dots. This reveals more options for editing your design. From the expanded menu, choose Link. This will open a small input box where you can paste your URL. Copy the URL you want to use, maybe it's your online portfolio or LinkedIn profile, and paste it into the input box. Be sure to double check for typos because a broken link could lead to missed opportunities. Once you've added the correct link, click Done. This saves the hyperlink into your selected text, making it fully clickable. And that's it. You've successfully added a link to your resume in Canva. This simple feature makes your document more dynamic and helps employers or clients access your work with just one click. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your job applications.